Ya Sai, Ya Sai. You all have been on my mind, and so much on my mind as I cannot tell you. Thinking of you every single day, every single moment. Sitting with Baba and praying and praying and praying for everyone. The heart is full, seeing the pain around, the suffering around. It's unbearable. The windows are full with so many souls merging into Baba. So much suffering around us. But the heart is full of faith. The heart is full of Baba right now, overflowing with His presence and knowing that He is there with us. And when He is there, there is no reason for us to fear. I know how difficult it is to be in the midst of such a situation and keep our minds calm. I can totally understand that it is a wave of fear everywhere. When you see known people, some just known to you and some dear to you, merging into Baba one after the other, when you see people going into ICUs and ventilators and struggling to find hospitals and beds and that, looking for medicines, looking for plasma, everything just gets to you, it just gets to you. I know it does. Having said that, what is the difference between those who are getting affected by this and us who are in Baba's feet? We cannot get affected. It may momentarily bother us, but we have to shelve away those thoughts. I have told you so many times, don't let the energy dip. Don't let the frequency go low. Keep your energies high and overflowing with Baba's presence. Don't let any news break you. If it comes, listen to it, and then don't even listen. Hear it and let it go. Listen means you're registering it. Don't register. Say a prayer for the person who's in pain or the person who is gone and move that thought away from your mind. I know it is very simple for me to say it, very difficult for us to do it, but well, I am doing it every day. And if Didi can do it, you can do it too. We have to do it. There is no other option. We cannot get disturbed by all of this. We cannot become this pain which is all around us. We are Baba's healer army. We are Baba's Saibisa family. And we have such immense strength of Baba inside us. He is holding us. We are not going to let anything take away our peace, our mental calm, or stability. If you feel your energy is dipping, just play Baba's mantra, Om Sai Parabrahmana. Close your eyes and merge into the mantra and let it fill you up and fill you up and fill you up with His energies. Sit, chant, pray, read the Satcharita, change your mind, change your energies. Just be in a good space at this time. Remember, the more peaceful you are, the more calm you are, in better energies you are, the safer you are, the more protected you are. And yes, the pandemic is at its peak. It's reaching everywhere. First of all, we are protected. It does not reach us. If it reaches us, we are still protected, is what you need to know. There are two ways of reaction. One, oh God, I have COVID. The other way of reaction is, it's okay. Everyone's getting it. I have it too. So what? Baba will bring me out of it. That itself changes the energy right then and there. You have already won over the virus in that one statement. But if you get scared, oh God, what has happened to me? I am finished. I'm dead. It's come. Then you are calling for the pain and the devastation and the suffering. Don't do that. If it comes, let it come and let it go. Baba is there, don't forget that. Didi is there, don't forget that. You have no idea how I am praying. You have no idea. I feel like there is fire inside me. I am literally burning here. I can't put that into words, but I am standing right in front of all of you as a mountain, I promise you. First of all, Baba is standing in front of us. Nothing can pass through and reach. But if it still manages, your Ma is standing there also. As another dhal, as another support, she will block anything. And still if it reaches you, see, there are two before you, Baba and your Ma, who have taken that energy already before it reaches you. It will have no strength when it reaches you. Once it passes through us and comes to you, it will not have strength. I'm promising you that. First of all, when it passes through Baba and comes to me, I'm blessed. It can't do anything to me as well. But because I'm your mother and my heart is so full for all of you, so praying for all of you, even if it has to pass through me, it doesn't bother me. I just want to see everyone healthy and happy, and you have to promise me that we are going to go through this with strength, enormous strength, strength that you have never shown before. Stay happy, stay healthy, listen to more of Baba's bhajans, mantras, chantings, pray more. Today's message comes to you to say one more important thing. Sitting at home, you can actually heal Mother Earth. Do it now. And I want you to do it. I'm asking you to do it. Spread the word. I have very strong guidance that the more we chant, the more Earth will heal and this will go away. The only thing today which can save humanity is us chanting. Spread the word. Tell everybody you know. Chant with us. Don't bother about what mantra, what religion. Let them just chant 6 to 6:30. Whatever religion they come from, whatever their belief, let them chant that. No conditions that no, you only chant Hanuman Chalisa or Baba's name or Sai Ram. No. Anything they want to chant 6 to 6:30, tell them to chant. Your work is going to be to pick up their counts and post in your group so that we know how many more hands, how many more lips have joined us in prayer. Take those counts and add it there and put their names and add the counts to your list. Make one list of your names and their names also there. Let me see how you spread this energy. Today it is our responsibility that we spread Baba's name, the Naam Jap, which is the most important thing in the world, in the Kali Yuga, that can save us. We have to spread that Nama of Ishwar to every house, to every suffering person. Imagine if all of us pray, what will happen. Tell people to chant any time of the day they can, but collective prayer at one time when you send out energy, we will kill and ruin and finish this virus together. Do it 6 to 6:30 every day. You want to do longer, continue longer, but make sure you spread this out. The team has been beautiful. They have created some amazing DPs for us which say chant with us. I'm going to be sharing those pictures here for you. Every healer, every Sai Bisa family member and everyone in the world, push that DP and let it go on everybody's screen. Let every WhatsApp read, we are chanting now, chant with us. Let's all chant together and make a difference in the world, because that is all we can do at this time. And I'm repeating, every time you chant, you are bringing that energy into yourself and keeping yourself and your family protected, and also selflessly praying for all those out there who are suffering. It doesn't get any better. Spread the love, spread the happiness, and remember, Baba is standing there in front of you. He's protecting you. He's not going to let anything at all reach you which will cause anything that you cannot bear. He gives to us only as much as he knows we can take. He's very kind. If he's giving it, take as much as comes, go through it peacefully, gracefully. Keep your nose high, chin up. Never be head down, broken or lost. Chin up, my healers. I love you. And I'm in the most beautiful energies here with Baba. Praying, chanting with complete faith. We will go through this very well together. I love all of you. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay protected, stay in good energies, and Baba be with you. Ya Sai.